If you have a coaching institute and you provide courses to your student, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chat Flow. Today we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your coaching business. In this business, you get a lot of inquiry on WhatsApp regarding coaching info, pricing, availability, booking and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming and hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chat Flow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your coaching business using Pabbly Chat Flow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. So let's get started. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chat Flow. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here, I'm going to type a key message. For example, hey. As soon as I have entered my key message, they have responded me with a welcome message which say welcome to Pabbly Coaching, and with that they have provided me 3 action button: book session, view schedule and access resource. Let's click on access resource. As soon as I have selected access resource, I got a response in which they mention all the resources that they provide. With that, they have provided me 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Let's click on the menu option. As soon as I have clicked on the menu option, I got the initial message again. This time, let's select book session. To book my session, they want few details like my name. I will enter that. Now they want to know about preferred date. After that, they want to know about the time slot. I will enter my preferred time. Now they want to know about the type of coaching. As soon as they got every single detail, they have sent me a confirmation message, and with that they have provided me 2 action button, menu and talk to support. Let me click on talk to support button. As soon as I have selected talk to support, they have responded me with a message that our team is here for you. Please describe your concern or question and we will respond as soon as we can. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much fun and better. That too without any manual effort. That's the power of Pabbly Chat Flow. If you want to know how to create this chatbot for your own business, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and search pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you will search this, you will be landed on the pabbly.com page. Here you can see there are 2 options: sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. After signing in, you will be landed on the All Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications. But as we are working with Pabbly Chat Flow, I will click Access Now button of that. From there, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Over here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp number from one place using Pabbly Chat Flow. To add WhatsApp number, you just need to click on Add WhatsApp Number button, which is given on the top right corner. Inside this, there are 2 options: WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is an inbox option where you can manage all your conversation from one place. After that, we have contact feature in which you can create all new contact and separate according to your requirement. Below that, we have team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team member and review their performances. Below team queue, we have template section where you can create customized template, and by creating customized template, you can give personalized touch to your chat. Below that, we have broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer using customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool on Pabbly Chat Flow to create chatbot. Below that, we have AI Assistant, Activity Log, setting, and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have linked a separate video for that in the description box. As we got to know about each feature, let's get started building the flow. For that, we need to click on the flow option and you will be landed on the flow builder page. Here you can create and manage your chatbot seamlessly. And to create a new flow, you just need to click on add flow button, which is given on the top right corner. And after that, you will be landed on this page. Here, to create a new flow, you just need to give a meaningful name. As we are making this chatbot for coaching business, I will name it accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for your coaching business. Now, after giving meaningful name, we need to know about 3 main features which are given inside the flow start: keywords, regex, and choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chat. Regex are the regular expression with special pattern or sequence of character used to find match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. Today, I'm going to use regex, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I'm going to drag and drop media button, connect with my flow start, and browse my image. Like this, as you can see, my image is uploaded successfully. After that, I'm going to provide a welcome message. For that, I'm going to click on add content button, select the text button and enter my message. Welcome to Pabbly Coaching. Let's make your transformation a reality. Please choose from the option below to get start. For option, I'm going to provide action button. For that, I'm going to click on add button option and enter my text. Book session. For my next action button, I'm going to enter view schedule. And for my third action button, I'm going to enter access resources. Now, for each action button, I'm going to provide a separate message. Let's start with book a session. To book a session for my student, I need to ask few questions to them. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my action button and enter my message. Book your coaching session. Please share the following detail to book your spot. Number 1, full name. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as name and my format as any. After name, I want to know about date. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please share preferred date, and I'm going to select my contact custom field as date and my format as any. After that, I want to know about the date. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please share preferred time. For time, I'm going to select my contact custom field as time slot and my format as any. Now, last thing I want to know is about type of coaching they want to join. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop, ask question, connect with my previous question and enter my message. Please share type of coaching, life, business, finance, health, etc. For that, I'm going to select my contact custom field as type and my format as any. Now, after knowing each and every detail, I will send a confirmation message to my student. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, which is going to be shown to my customer, in which I have mentioned that booking confirmed. Thank you for choosing Pabbly Coaching. Your booking is scheduled for date at time. See you soon. I have put $sign before my date and time. That means exact date and time what my customer has feed will be mentioned there. Now I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone click on this menu button, they will get initial message again. And I'm going to give a separate message for talk to support. I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message like this, in which I have mentioned that our team will respond as soon as possible. I'm going to move to my next action button, which is view schedule. For schedule, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message, in which I will mention all the schedules of our classes like this, in which I have mentioned all the class detail with time, date and location. With that, I'm going to provide 2 action button, menu and talk to support. I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message as I have told you earlier, and I'm going to connect this talk to support button with the message that we have recently put for talk to support. Now let's move to our last action button, which is access resources. For that, I'm going to drag and drop, select the text button and enter my message in which I have mentioned all the resources that they can access if they join us. With that also, I'm going to provide two action button, menu and talk to support. Again, I'm going to connect this menu button with our initial message and talk to support button with the message that we have put for talk to support, like this. So yes, as you can see, I have entered all the required information that would be needed to run a chatbot for coaching business. On to a last step, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.